Hey, this is Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist. I got to ask this question. If I connect my Gmail account to my iPhone, where does the iPhone store contacts if I add a new contact through my iPhone? I'm going to show you how to do what happens and how to manage that in this video. But before I do, hit that subscribe button because I create all of these videos specifically for you. So the whole conversation's about this. If I get a phone call from somebody and I want to add this phone number to my contacts, I can create a new contact and add to existing contact. But where is it going to go? Which contact's account is it going to go into? Let me show you where that is set up. So if I come out of this and I go to settings, right here, settings, and then I scroll down to contacts, you'll see there's 4 accounts associated with the cell phone. I have my iCloud account. There's no contacts there. I have my NC Wiseman, which is a Gmail account. There's no contacts there. But TL Burris and Score both have contacts associated with them. So if we come back out of this page and come down here, besides the sort order and the display order and the short name, you also have my information. This is where you can look at my own contact card. But then you have default account. And because I only have 2 accounts associated with my phone, the TLB Business and the Score, I can choose which one of these do I want to be the default account for new contacts that I add through my cell phone. Now I'll tell you that I recently added a new contact from my cell phone. I got a call right here from this phone number here that's listed as Bubba2, and there was no name associated with that. I added that name and I saved that contact. Wasn't real sure where it went because when I was adding it, it didn't tell me where it was going to be saving to, but I did in fact by default. It went into TLB Business, and then I went to my Google Contacts on my computer. Took a few minutes just for it to synchronize, and it showed up in my Google Workspace contacts on my computer. Bottom line, you make the decision where to save it from settings, contacts. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope this is helpful for you.